Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss some questions on area related circle of maths class 10. So let us begin our video. So your first question is asking two circles touch externally. Yes, two circles are given, they are touching externally. The sum of their area is 130 pi square centimeter and the distance between their center is 14 centimeter. What will be the radius of the circles? So you are asking that two circles are here externally, they are touching and their both area is 130 pi and the distance between their centers means C1 to C2, that R1 plus R2 is given 14 centimeter. Then what is the radius of the circle? So we're given that both sum of the areas is 135. So we got that pi, so we can take it as R1 square plus R2 square equals to 130 centimeter square. As their pi is given common, so we can divide it side, so it will come r1 square plus r2 square equals to 130 centimeter square. And second thing given that the distance between the center is 14 cm. So the distance is r1 and that circle distance is r2. So we got that their sum of their distance is c1 and their c2 is r1 plus r2, that is 14 centimeter. So we'll take r1 plus r2 whole square if you take, then formula will get r1 square plus r2 square plus 2 r1 r2. So here r1 plus r2 we have r1 plus r2 is 14 centimeter, so we can write it as 14 square equals to r1 square plus r2 square, we have got 130 centimeter square, so we'll take here 130 plus 2 r1 r2. So we got 130 plus 2 r1 and r2. Then it will come 2 r1 r2 equals to, here 14 square equals to 196. We will do minus is 130. So we'll get r1 r2 equals to, if we subtract this both, we will get 66 divided by 2, so it will come 33. So we got that r1 r2 equals to 33 cm. Then we'll take r1 minus r2 whole square, so it will become r1 square plus r2 square minus 2 r1 r2. So r1 square plus r2 square we have got, that is 130 minus 2 r1 r2. So r1 is 33 and then r1 r2 is 33, then 2 r1 r2 will be 66. Then if you subtract the both, we will get 64. So here r1 minus r2 equals to whole square equals 64. Then r1 minus r2 equals to 8. First and second equation we have got r1 plus r2 equals to 14. So here both the equations we have got. Then we will add this both equation, then this will cut. Then 2 r1 equals to 14 plus 8, 22. So here r1 we got it, that is 11 cm. If r1 is 11 cm, then r2 will get r1 minus r2, will take this equation, then 11 minus r2 equals to 8, then r2 equals to 3. So this circle radius is 11 cm and this circle radius is 3 cm. So we have completed this question. Again, I am explaining that we are asking that two circles are touching externally, and their sum of their radius is 130 pi square centimeter, and here the distance between their centers is 14 cm. So what will be the radius of the circles? I mean, these both radius we have to find out the circles. So we have taken r1 square plus pi r square plus pi r square, that is radius area of circle. So I will get 130 square pi. Then after that we will get by calculating we will get r1 r2 equal to 33 cm. Then if we will do r1 minus r2 whole square, then a square plus b square minus 2ab, that formula we will use. Then after that we will get these both equations, this equation 1 and this equation 2, that r1 minus r2 equals to 8 cm and r1 plus r2 equals to 14 cm. By solving this pair of linear equations, you will get r1 equals to 11 cm and r2 equals to 3 cm. Let us move to next question.
वहाँ कर दो उसको रिटर्न को.
So the next question is asking the inner circumference of a circular track is 220 cm. Means this inner circumference, this is given, this inner circumference is given as inner circumference is 220 centimeter and the track is 7 meter wide. This track is 7 meter wide. So here this track is given as 7 centimeter and this radius is this circular track circumference is given 220 cm.
Louder.
Then here the track is 7 meter wide everywhere. So here everywhere it is 7 meter wide. Then we have to calculate the cost of putting a fence along the outer circle at the rate of 2 rupees per meter. Means here outer circle, first we will find that circumference, then we will multiply with 2, then we will get that money. So let us begin. So first we know that the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is given as 220 centimeter. Then pi r will become 110 centimeter as 2 will go divide side. Then radius will be 110 into 7 by 22. So after calculation we will get that here 211. So it will come 7 to 5, that is 35 centimeter. So we have got that this radius, the small radius equals to 35 centimeter, and this larger one will be 35 plus 7, that is 42 centimeter. Now we got that radius of the largest circle, so we can find that circumference of the largest circle. So 2 pi r equals to So we have got the circumference of the largest circle. This circle we have got the circumference. Now we are asking what is the cost. So we know that per meter cost is 2 rupees. Means 1 meter it is given rupees 2. So 264 meter will be 264 into 2, which is rupees 528. So here it was asking that inner circumference of circular track, this inner circumference, that is this radius, that one r, is given as 220 cm. So by using that 2 pi r equals to 220 cm, we will get the radius of that inner circular inner circle is 35 centimeter. Then this white track is 7 centimeter. So after adding, we will get that this outer circle radius is 42 centimeters. So after calculation, we will get that 528 rupees is required for fencing along the outer circle at the rate of 2 rupees per meter. So let us see next. So let us begin the third question. They are asking an arc of a circle is of length 5 pi cm and the sector is bounded has an area of 20 pi square centimeter. Find the radius of circle. So let's find this radius as the area, that circumference of that arc of circle. This is given 5 pi and that area is 20 pi cm square. So we can take as area of sector by
Louder.
arc length equals to 20 pi by 5 pi. Then here pi will get cancelled and here 5 4s are. It will become 4 by 1. So then we can take area of sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square by theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So this and this will get cancelled. This both pi will get cancelled and 1 r this is cancelled, equals to 4. So here we got as r by 2 equals to 4. Then r equals to 8 cm. So here we got that radius is 8 cm. As here given that area of that sector is 20 pi and that arc length is 5 pm. So if you 5 pi. So if you will divide the both, we will get 4. And by that we will get r by 2 equals to 4. Then r equals to 8 cm. Let us move to next question. So your next question is given that the circumference of a circle is 100 cm. So this circumference is given as 100 cm. This circumference of circle is given as 100 cm. The side of square is square of the circle. So we have to find this side. So we can take it as diagonal. So first we will find the radius of the circle. So circle is asking, so 2 pi r equals to 100. Then pi r equals to 50. Pi r will become 50 cm. Then radius equals to 50 to 7 by 22. So it will become 175 by 11. So radius you got, that is 175 by 11. So here so your diameter will become 175 into 2. So it becomes 350 by 11. So this area, this diagonal, which is the diameter of circle, we have got 350 by 11. So we know that here we have formed a right angle triangle. So this and this side is always equal. So we can take this both as A. Then according to Pythagoras formula, it will be 2a square equals to 350 by 11 whole square. So here a square, that side of a square, you will get that 122,500 by 120 into 2. So we'll cut this one. So we'll get 61250 by 121. So the side of this square will be root over of 61250 divided by 121. So this is that side of this side of the square. So the circumference of circle is given 100 cm. So side of square inscribed in it. So you find this in the circle is that square side you will find. So we'll get 61250 by 121 root over. Let us move to next question. Next question is given. If the radius of circle is diminished by 10%. So if the radius of circle is diminished by 10%, so the area is diminished. So how much the area is diminished? So we have to find that one. So let us take that radius as 7 cm. So 7 cm of 10% will get 7 into 1 by 10 equals to 0.7 cm. So it is decreased up to diminished up to 0.7 cm. So now the radius will become 6.3 cm. So now to find that how much area is diminished. So we have to find first area of this and then we will find this area of this. So pi r square will be 22 by 7 into 7 to 7. So we will get 154 centimeter square. And then second, we will get pi r square equals to, this one is radius 1 and this one radius 2. So we will get so we'll get second radius, second area as 124.74 centimeter square. So how much this one decreased? We will subtract. So we'll get 29.26. So 29.26 centimeter square is diminished. So now we'll find that how much percentage diminished. So 29.26 divided by 154, that is total that if you take that R1 equals 7 cm, this is into 100. So we'll get 2926 by 154, which is 19%. So here the area is diminished up to 19%. So the radius is diminished 10%. So after calculation that radius will get 7 cm, and then after diminished it will be 6.3 cm. Then their area will be respectively 154 centimeter square and 124.74 centimeter square. So after that we will get that 19% area is diminished. If that radius of circle is diminished up to 10%, then area will diminish up to 19% will get. For today this much guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.